this cookie is everywhere in Denmark, and it is delicious and it's very easy to make. If you follow us on Instagram, you may have caught the Instagram live video where Landon, my youngest, was helping me make these cookies, and he was adorable and sweet.
So then you're just gonna roll it out. And I am going to do a different thing, and I'm actually going to re-roll this and reuse it so I can make more cookies.
They taste kind of like a gingerbread cookie meets shortbread meets sugar cookie meets heaven. Fill up this gorgeous jar that I am obsessing over. And these cookies smell so good, you guys. They smell so good. Look at how many cookies you can fit in here. I mean, nobody wants 2 of these. Like, you gotta fill it up. Do you know what I mean? It's gotta be, there's gotta be enough to at least share. Although I would probably hide them and then feel bad about it later. You guys never do that, do you? I'm sure you don't ever do that. Originally, when I was putting this video together, I thought I was gonna do a red bag with some white tissue and it was gonna be really cute. But then I was at Target shopping for my boys' room, and I went down the Christmas aisle, and oh my gosh, you guys, this stuff is so cute. They've got this gold polka dot little bag, and look at this one with the Merry Christmas. That is gonna be so beautiful. And then look at this one. Can you guys see how pretty that is? Isn't that beautiful? And, oh my gosh, look at this little guy. How cute is this? And you shake it and he's got little snow in there. So when you're putting your hostess/teacher gifts together, it's not enough to just slap it together and give them something. Instead, why not make the packaging itself feel like a gift? You guys know this is my thing. So I've got this little jar full of cookies. This candle is another thing that I'm putting in every single gift this year. This is Hearth and Hand with Magnolia. This is wood smoke cedar. Do you want to know what this smells like when it's burning? It smells like you've got a crackling fire and Christmas is all around you, because that cedar smells amazing. So, gonna make sure I give the teachers a jar full of cookies, a great candle that they can keep burning and remember all year long. Oh, his mom was so sweet, because Landon sometimes can be a bit of a handful, and those teachers deserve every single bit of their gifts. I've also got some gift cards that I'm gonna slip in here later. Just think a Starbucks gift card. I mean, what teacher doesn't love a Starbucks gift card? Oh, this is gonna be great. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget, subscribe. Check us out on houseofvalentina.com. And if you decide to do one of our projects, make sure that you hashtag Cozy Holiday 2018. We'll see you guys soon. Oh, don't forget, subscribe. Subscribe so that you get the little alerts when we pop up a new video, which should be tomorrow. We don't want you to miss out. Subscribe, leave a comment, give us a thumbs up. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.